some bad little man. It's just some bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's some bad little man. It's some bad little man. Trying to find his way out these streets. It's some bad little man. He gon' keep pushing his dreams until he succeeds. They like the way he drive these crazy cars in the 26 to the 30 so wrong. You see the drip cause he got the sauce. On his way to the top, he don't lose control. All he gotta do is stay patient. Everybody knows he gon' make it. Stay tuned cause this shit's so wavy. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. It's just a bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. I'm bad. It's just a bad little man. I'm bad little man. It's a bad little man. I'm bad.
Y'all see what time it is, man. We're out here doing our thing. We starting all the way from the bottom, and then we're gonna work our way all the way to the top, like we do always. Oh, look at the grill on that thing right there. Yeah, man, look at the grill right there. Y'all better watch out. That coming fast, ready to tear something up on you. Then we got the Mopar thing right there. Yes, sir. Okay, I'm with that RT. I'm with that one right there. Oh, man, we got the Hellcat all the way down here by itself. Okay, by the public storage. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice little spot for a cat to be resting. All right, though, we're gonna work it on down. Y'all see we got a cameraman rolling with. Got your boy Tizza. Oh, he at it again. Oh, man, look at the merch drip on this man. Look at the merch drip. Yes, sir. Y'all can copy it. You know where you can get it. Oh, shit, right there on the back, too. All day, every day.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh, look at the green machine. Okay. Yeah, I'm feeling that green machine. Man, let's get on down through here. Let's get through here. All right, now, oh, look at him. There he go. There he go, man. That owl again, man. How you been doing, man?
Shit, I've been straight. You?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You keeping things rolling?
Yes, sir, man. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. I keep watching.
Already, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, man. We all going down through this thing. Y'all see her? Y'all see her? She's doing her thing like she always do. Oh, look at the Cadillac. Oh, you know what? Before you look at the Cadillac, check out the vet, man. Come on now. Check out the vet game. Vet right there. Nice. Yes, sir. Nice vet. Hey, that's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do. Y'all see my boy thing right here. Y'all going to subscribe to the channel. Y'all know what time it is. Pipes working. Oh, look at the back of this thing right here. Yes, sir. Look at the back of that thing right there. Done by No Limit Car Design. Okay, that's what. Oh, man, somebody. C66. What's up, man?
Man, what's happening?
What's up, man? You
How
got
you
it? Yes, sir. Feeling good. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. On the 26s? Yeah. Them 6s. Y'all see out of your cat thing, man. Look at that thing right there. And is it? Uh-oh. See, that's what I'm talking about right there. What's up, man? What you been up to?
Brother, doing good, man. Celebrating 10K here at the shop. I can't even tell you how proud I am. It's been a long time, working hard, more than what people know, but we're at 10K. And to see this result of the turnout, I can't tell you how blessed, first of all, by God, and then the support that we have for this great turnout we had here. So I can't even tell you. That's my wifey, Miss Audio Cat. Baby, Miss Audio Cat, say hi to everybody in the camera.
Hello.
She's the one that makes sure that I don't do things the wrong way. Keep me on the right path, but we're doing good, man. So thank you guys also for coming here supporting us today, man.
Already,
God bless you, Papa.
Already, man.
Let me see.
Uh-oh, we got the pipes popping. Uh-oh, there you go again. He keep coming up everywhere. Say, they already know what time it is. The bad little man. Say, we coming to crime scene. You better know it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shout that channel out, man.
Ed Kendrick be coolin', man. Ed Kendrick _B _coolin' on Instagram, man. Same thing for the YouTube. Go like, share, comment, subscribe, man.
Yes, sir. Got that thing working.
Hey man, he just gave him birthday present early, son. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all subscribe to him. Even though he don't be posting on, I'm waiting on. That's why I'm so mad at him, because he be wasting time. He be around. He got the platform, but never be on the post.
Oh, that thing right there, serious talk. Come on now. Come on now. Uh-oh.
Dang, man.
Uh-oh.
It's all good, long as it's some type of time. Man, little man.
Already.
What's up, man? What a big boy here?
I know, I got the little boy.
Oh, you got a little boy today?
Yeah, I got a little boy today.
Man, you supposed to have a big boy, man.
Man, I got a little boy. I got a little boy
What's up,
today,
dog?
man.
I know I just hit you again, but you know.
I got the little boy today.
Boy, took it, man. Like, subscribe.
Already, man.
Yeah,
Another man.
like,
Make sure y'all subscribe.
Bad little man, so y'all already know it.
No, they ain't see that. Yeah, they gotta lift it up.
What you say? Put your chin up.
Yeah, lift that chin up. Black Lives Matter.
Say, it's been like that for a minute though, man.
Since birthday.
Hey, I'm trying to tell you.
Come on, man.
Let's get it going with it. Y'all see the machine over there. Y'all see the time machine right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna have to go on and get that time machine going the right way, you gang. Y'all like, share, and subscribe to my boy channel. Real too real. Y'all know what it is. Yes, sir. Thing right there, nice too. Yeah. Hey, y'all see my boy up in this thing. Pull up King always in this thing.
You know it. 24/7, Money Bad to Pull Up King. What if someone follows spring? I'm in that thing. Give me a subscribe, bro. Badass. Royalty on 24. Now that he done done this thing.
Yes, sir. He making a statement down there. Yeah, come on. Come on now. Yes, sir. And another one. And another one bites the dust. Got the letters on the tires. Got the LGB lights on there. Man got the front cruiser on there. Yes, sir. I don't know if y'all seen this one here, but man, this thing right here, nice. Yes, sir. This thing nice. Say, take your time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Now catch yourself. Yeah. Now catch yourself. You're falling and you can't get up. Got the stain out here. All right, we're gonna keep it going on. We got Tizzle right there. The man right there. Oh, feeling like Misco up in here.
That rap something serious.
That rap? Yeah. You like it? Ready, brother? I know it at the top. I'm with it. I'm with it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look at this son of a gun right here. Is this a wild body red eye I'm looking at, dark guy? I'm trying to tell y'all gonna make me spit fudging and budging. Okay, there we go. Let's try it again. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Oh, yeah, sir. That thing right there. Nice. Then we got the Spider-Man up in here. Got the Spider-Man up in here. Oh, man, snap. It's the Venom. I seen this one right here before. Yeah, I seen this one right here before. This one right here clean in the mud. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No limit car design. All right. Yeah, I'm feeling that. That's real nice, gang. Gang. So shout that channel out, man.
Oh yeah, man. Sack be coolin', man. S-A-K, you know what I'm saying? Be coolin', you know what I'm saying?
Alright, y'all check him out. Follow his channel, man. Let's get it up. Uh-oh, wait a minute. We got another one right there. Shout that channel out, man.
Yeah, Mike be chillin', man. My K-E-B-E chillin' with an N.
Already, man.
Y'all go follow him, man.
Y'all follow. Oh, it's Badlilman, man. Right there. Yes, sir. Chin up.
Bad little man, Y'all go check
Chin
him
up.
out, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all. live scene, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, y'all should have been here. Y'all should have been here throwing that support. Y'all already know I'm gonna support my guys on everything and anything. When I say everything and anything, I mean everything. Come on now, I'm gonna show it to you again. I want y'all to pause, take your time, go there, subscribe, then come on, jump on back to the channel. Yes, sir. Come on, jump back to the channel. We're gonna wait on you. They got them things right there set up. Come on now, I gotta get y'all with that Cadillac Fleetwoods, man. What y'all know about that? Y'all don't know nada about that, brother. Nada. Yes, sir. I see y'all doing y'all thing. Okay, real big with it. Real big with it. Real big with it. With the RT. Yes, sir. Nice bill. Excuse me for my rudeness. Good Lord. You mean to tell me, man, I've been walking around here and I forgot to say, what up, the NASCAR Nanny Gang? Oh, man, don't shoot me, don't hurt me. Oh, Lord, bear with me. Okay, now she looking at look at you. Ain't got nothing to say for 2B2. I got them nails done. Hey, thumbs up. Tissa looking like I don't give a damn today. A minute. Breathe in, look, breathe out.
If they felt this heat,
breathe in.
Know why I'm looking like this.
Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes, sir.
If sweat, you can see it.
Yes, sir. All right then, straight like Texas. Man, then we got the underglow going on this thing right here.
Oh yeah.
We ain't playing no game. No game, no cap, no game. Look at this, and then this thing is spotless like hell. God damn, I see the shine on this motherfucker. What? You got a cuss word out on that one. It's so clean. Yes, sir. Jeep, let's go and get Jeep Girl on this mug. You know, Jeep Girl got the TVs going to glow up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See the boy in there doing this thing. Then SS Cherokee. Y'all subscribe to the channel. Yes, sir. They're doing their thing.
Hey.
See, we ain't gonna say nothing. We just gonna sit there. We ain't gonna say nothing. Hey, what up? Yeah.
Get on there. I was young, but I've been in my bag.
What up, guys? All right. Then we got that Jeep thing. We got that Jeep thing. Oh snap! We got the snap. We got the words. Got the fixings in here. Yeah, we got the words. We got the fixings in this thing.
See, I came from the bottom, tryna make it to the top. So mama, I got them dating now on the rise. Remember all them cloudy days. Horsepower tryna bear all this thing. Hey. Say that too tough and you call on your partner. Top it bullies, yeah, they gon' make you holler. All of my niggas, they get to their bottom. All of my niggas, they up and they pay. Ain't going out there. She let me so bad. Boy, yeah, I know ain't gonna crash. We got my niggas just locking them chains. They say I'm the chosen, so I gotta maintain. Reaching from great and want the money and fame. I'm one of the cops, which I fuck up the game. If a nigga try me, knock him out of his shoes. Fuck him down like he's from the school. These niggas be snakes, gotta watch how I move. My bitch real, don't live.
See, let's go. Say, we gon' go on and put it in because say, we ain't gonna hear this no more, okay? We ain't gonna hear this no more, alright?
Say, man, we going up all 2020. Y'all know what it is. Jeep Girl Unlimited, you hear me?
Already.
Say, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, you hear me?
Already.
Smiles be in that thing, too.
What? Say, y'all look at her smiling.
Going up all 2022.
Look at her smiling. Merch check. Come on now.
Merch.
Come on now. Merch check.
What you got to tell me? That's why I be saying love and shit. Grab my camera. Wait, what's up, bro? Hey, this rain, hate the rain finna catch us, man. Go on, shout it out, man. Oh man, he over here set tripping. That boy said Chevy game with no difference. Hey man, you man, that's together, man. Hey, for real, for real. We just said cars, no cars. That's what it's about, man. I'm pulled up, man.
What's up? I'm talking now. I was a little nervous earlier.
Yeah, cause we was all quiet there. We got there and we.
I just need a little shot. I'm back. So
all right.
Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to SS Cherokee. Bitch, you hear me before you see that silver thing back there. Like Roy can say, that's Nipsey Muscle. Nipsey Muscle.
Oh, all right.
Okay. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to that thing right there.
All right, to that thing right there. That thing right there. Look at that thing. Look at it. I want you to look at it. That thing look bad as hell.
It do.
Holy smoke. So that thing will be flying somewhere else, brother. That thing will be flying somewhere else. We got the setup lined up. We got it lined up. We got to set it up. We doing our thing out here. We doing what we always do. Keeping it magic. Keeping it happen in the miracle land of the car land. Yes, sir. So y'all know what time this is, man, little man. What it say on Friday? Oh, you chill though. Oh, you chill though. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Say, man, you gonna shot that time now, moving and grooving with it.
Chevy game, man. Y'all know what it is. Please like, comment, subscribe, man. DJ Chevy game, man. We turn up all 2020, man. Yes,
all
sir.
2020. How many times we going through all 2020?
Oh man, we done already ran through 2 sets. About 2 more. We got what? We got 4 months left.
Oh yeah.
Probably about 2 more.
All right. Yes, sir. Tizzle, now the camera's on you, sir.
What's up, brother?
Shout that channel out,
Man.
sir.
Hey, the shirt do it for me.
Right there.
Yes, sir.
But what if they can't read, Tizzle?
Hey, man, they can't read. I don't know what to tell them.
Damn, Daniel.
Man, still,
Okay.
Still like, share, subscribe, and type it in.
YouTuber, your boy Tizzle. Y'all like, share, and subscribe. Get in there for him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Say, what it say? What it say?
Hey, you should have did it, brother.
Should have been the red thing with that stain. Yes, sir.
Brought both of them up here. Why not?
Why not? Why not? Catch the rain together. This thing right here is pretty lit though. Everybody out here doing a thing, moving and grooving it. Yes, sir. Make it. Get that noise. Get that noise going. Get that noise going. Yes, sir. Get that noise going. Get that. Y'all already know it. Y'all already know it. See, that's what I was telling you about. That car right there showed y'all a while ago there. Subscribe to that channel right there, right there.
Hey, y'all already know. If you don't, it's your boy Cowder, boy KT. Cowder with a K, B with an I, KT on the end. Oh! Hey, y'all already know what it is.
Already.
Y'all already know what it is.
Already. Got that Instagram and that Facebook. Yes, sir. Do that thing, man. Got them things out here hollering. Oh, then Royalty got it lit up. Oh, Royalty. Oh, look at this thing right here, though. Let's take the time out to look at the glow on this thing. Yeah, that glow drip. Yeah, got that glow drip. Got that glow drip for show trip. That glow drip for show trip. Oh, look at the clean with the thing, man. This car so clean it's finna rain. They're gonna be mad as hell like a bug, man. That thing that nice. Yes, sir. I tell my boy Roy's in there, all lit up like Texas. Look at him. Look, y'all, all on the window. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hanging in there. That thing right there hard too, bro. I said that thing hard. That thing is hard. Y'all see what time it is? Whoa! Y'all, come on, yes. Oh yeah, I hear that scratch. I hear that pipe scratch. Yeah, they waking up, they being disturbed, you know what I'm talking about? Who done disturb your folks? Yes, sir. Shout that China out,
Oh,
brother.
man, 728 Auto in the building, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, that like button. We're going all the way up. Forget 2020.
Huh? Yeah, yeah, what's happening, bro?
Y'all know what time it is. Turbo TV. Over there. I drove the white one today. I drove the white Charger on the 6s down there. They got the pipe. Okay then. Okay then. Say, shut the channel, man.
Say, follow me and subscribe at Certified Jack Rover. It's all of it. I just started my channel. You can go and go, hey, show me some love. You feel me?
Show them some
I'm
love.
trying to go up. I'm trying to go crazy, big. 2020 is just getting started, but 2021, I'm telling you, I don't even gotta look back, but we going up.
Already.
I'm telling you. Hey,
Already.
all of that. All that. I got merch coming soon. Certified ANT.
Already.
We're going global.
Already. Yeah, we got my guy right here, man.
Man, A70 Cam on Instagram, man. You know, I ain't really got too much YouTube. I'm getting a 345 though. When I get my 345, I start my YouTube and talk business from there, man.
Already.
You know, that's it.
Already. So y'all look out, y'all show some love, man. Subscribe to the channel, check them out, man. Y'all know it ain't stopping. They keep coming in clockwise. You know they keep coming like clockwise. Ghosted. Y'all see my boy right there. Y'all subscribe to the channel. Ghosting V6s, Ghosting V8s now.
He gon' keep pushing his dreams until he succeeds. Ain't like the way he drive these crazy cars in the 26 to the 30 feet. So wrong. You see the drill,